I'm showing you Osulok's ceremonial grade volcanic isle matcha. I want to thank the brand for sending me this sample so that I could tell you about it. So we're going to try it. They've got a nice top on this container so that you can more easily get the matcha out without making a big mess. It wants 1.5 teaspoons of this powder. I'm putting it in a little water to mix with it first before I put it in the milk. So I did a teaspoon. Now I'm doing the 1/2 teaspoon. This shaker works pretty good. And now I'm going to mix it up. I think that's good enough. My milk was frothed, but it has been sitting for a minute, so it lost its bubbles. Let's try again. I'm going to pour the matcha into it. Mix again. Oh, what a pretty color. And now we'll pour it over ice cubes. That's beautiful. Now comes the taste test. Nice. It's not as bitter as matcha that I've had before. So I like it. It's got a little sweetness to it. Very good. You might like to try some for yourself.